Okay, so how to install Celebs app on iPhone. So just go to App Store app here and then tap install, and yep, use your Touch ID or password. And here's the idea of the app, that you can find your celebrity lookalike. So you can just take a selfie of yourself and then find your celebrity lookalike and share it on Instagram or Snapchat. So super simple idea. And since this app is 100% free, so that's that. So key features include celebrity matching, what celebrity do I look like generator, and just sharing on Instagram. And then if you want to upgrade for Celebs Plus, subscription period is 1 week and price is $4.99. Yeah, so here is the Celebs app. So yeah, that's how you download it. And in another video, I will show you how to use it